Oh, how you doing, guys? It's DJ Stocks here, and getting kind of late. Sun going down. Probably 7:30 here in Chicagoland. Just finished mowing the grass, getting ready for the garbage man for tomorrow. Oh, had a little family pizza thing this afternoon. It was good to see a lot of the people I hadn't seen in a while. And one of the topics that came up was, what do you do with your bonds now that federal rate is causing the bond rate to go down, and thus hitting all those people with fixed assets, right? You got your CDs and bond funds. They're all going to go down just a little bit, and we just started the downward trend here. We got probably another 3/4 of a point to come down this year. So at this point, the returns on fixed assets is barely, if not just keeping rate with inflation. And that assumes you believe inflation's 3%. That's if you believe inflation is 3%. I don't. I think it's at least 6 to 7%, to be perfectly honest with you. But that's your own personal opinion. I see gold is surging today. Silver surged like $1.30 or more. It's at 42.30 now, or excuse me, 43.30, I believe. It's going up there. Maybe it's even higher than that. Oh, my memory's going. So what did we do today? I sold 150 shares in NVIDIA just to kind of calm down on some of that investment. I sold out on Dell. I sold out on some Marvel. And that was about it. And then I bought into an international fund, one of the Fidelity's international funds. I had a decent amount, but I decided to put it up by like 30%, add another 30% to it. International funds are doing great this year, so always good to have a balanced portfolio. So there you go. So I think for today, I traded in the morning, late morning, around 11:30, noonish. We were up $6,700, and that's when the video was at like $5. I think it finished over $7. So it's possible I could be close to 10 G's for today. I need to check my numbers, but I think we're still up 10 G's. At the beginning of the morning, I checked my monthly numbers. I was at 64K, so we beat our monthly number already, and we still got, what, 6 more trading days in the month. So we're going to crush it again this month. I think I'm at about 40%. That's 40 cash. And I'm gonna try to get down some more cash. I'm holding on to my Google, NVIDIA, Microsoft. But anything else, some of these semiconductors that I got, like this Marvel and CRM, anything else that I have, I'm trying to come out of those. Although some of them I'm right now I'm underwater, so I'm gonna choose not to get out of anything that I'm underwater on until I'm above water on them. So we're gonna hold off on those, and the ones that are performing well for us, such as NVIDIA and Google and Microsoft. Those be the big boys. They be the big boys. So we'll hold on to those and liquidate anything else that we can, because I do believe government shutdown is a coming. Government shutdown is a coming. So what is a person to do when they're not happy with the return on the dividend funds, or the bond funds, bond funds, fixed assets? There's a couple of things you can do. There's some high risk or high yield bond funds out there, which will get you a little better return on your money, but it also increases the risk. The other thing that you can do is try to find some dividend paying stocks that are stable, blue chips. I might be looking at that in the next couple of weeks, is finding me some blue chip stocks that are stable and produce a decent dividend. Like I think Verizon is one, maybe Coke. So that's another option for you, is find a good graded quality blue chip stock that's paying a decent dividend and go with that. You should be able to get a 4 or 5% dividend yield on some of these stocks without too much risk. So that's an option. The other thing is gold and silver. Gold and silver. I mean, we did a video just like about a couple days ago. Silver is actually out returning gold this year. I think silver is now at 48% for this year. As of today, September 22nd, I believe, it's returning 48%. Returned like 40 some last year. So 2 years, or actually a year and 9 months, silver's returned like 88%. Gold's doing well. It's like 42%, 43%, somewhere around there. And it finished last year about that range too. So it's gold and silver are going up together. A lot of people don't realize that silver goes along for the ride with gold. But if you can afford gold, it's better to have gold, definitely. But I like silver. You can always convert it into gold. I think it's like 80 to 1, 85 pieces to 1. And when you have gold, it's easy to transport gold. But if you want to break it up or buy something with it, like, you know, you're not going to be buying chickens and eggs and vegetables at the farmer's market with gold. You're not going to be doing that. Where silver, you could actually take silver to a store that takes precious metals and buy something. Farmers will take it too. If you buy your eggs and vegetables from a farmer, ask them if they'll take silver. They probably will. They'd much rather have that than that green crap that you got in your pocket. So that's for Monday today. We'll see how much longer this market holds out. I think Congress is on recess this week, so I don't know what's going to get done. I guess they're just changing ideas via email or something, but not a good situation. Not a good situation. I really think we are headed for a government shutdown. It's just a matter of how long and how hard it's going to be. Essential workers will still be working. Social Security people will still get their Social Security checks. But all this other bullshit ain't going to happen. Ain't going to happen. There's going to be a lot of people sitting at home, and then we'll end up paying them anyway for sitting at home. Surprise, surprise. So there you have it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Share this video with a friend that wants to become rich. Do you have a friend out there that would like to become rich and doesn't know how? Share this video. Share this video. We give all sorts of suggestions on how you can make yourself rich. The problem is a lot of people don't want to take the time and effort to do it. That's the reality. But here we show you how to do some day trading, how to buy at the low, take it up to the top, sell and reload and do it all over again, right? Buy, ride it up, sell, wait for it to come down, buy, go up, sell. If you do that 2 or 3 times this year on a stock, you're going to have 3 times the profit as a person who buys and holds. Buy and hold's dead, my friends. Buy and hold is dead. If you're paying attention, you should be able to buy and sell and then reload later and make muku bucks. Muku bucks. That's what I'm telling you. It's DJ Stocks over and out. Like, share, subscribe. And I'm going to tell you, NVIDIA Get yourself some NVIDIA now.